Today we're going to go over how to set up the settings within your Ozone Pro chiller. The temperature on the screen is your current water temperature. It's currently 51.7. If you want to set the temperature, you'll hit the set button. Let's say you want to set the temperature at 49 degrees. You're going to hit the set temperature again, and that'll lock it in place. Now the advanced settings, you're going to hold the set button down for 5 seconds. You're going to enter into the E1 setting, which is your low temperature alarm. We want that at 35. If you hit set again, you'll enter E2. This is your high temperature alarm. We want that at 100. You'll hit set again. Your E3 setting is the most important setting. This is when your compressor will turn off once it hits the set temperature, and when it'll come back on once it hits a temperature 5 degrees above the set temperature. This is very important so that you're not short cycling your compressor. If you hit set again, it's the E4 setting, which is the delayed start of your compressor. We have this at 3 for 3 minutes. E5 is a variance between the reading of the Pro Chiller and another device that you might be using. CF is Celsius versus Fahrenheit, and those are your settings. If you give it a second, it will come back to the main screen, which is the current temperature within your cold plunge.